So check this out, guys. There's two big educational resources now available. First of all, by Mike Sr., the guy who has the Mixing Secrets Guide, Cambridge MT. Yes, now not only do you get multi-tracks to mix practice, you also get mastering practice with unmastered mixes. I'll provide a link down below as well as in the pinned comment. And for the next 90 days, or really it's about 860 at the, I'm sorry, 8060. I can't speak today. 86 days. So whatever it says the expiration is, you now have access to the Slate digital master classes. So Chris Lord-Alge and a few other big names. You'll learn how to do different things. Very valuable information. This stuff is worth hundreds of dollars. Now you can get it for free while you're stuck inside. I will link to all this stuff below. Give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate me passing the word on. And definitely let them know RealHomeRecording.com sent you. See ya.